What's up guys, NDM Tech here. This is Apple Watch Series 3 on watchOS 7, and Apple Watch Series 3 is the oldest device to support watchOS 7. So let's see how it runs on this device. To start off with, this video is gonna be pretty short because Apple Watch Series 3 lacks a lot of features from watchOS 7 and it doesn't even get any new watch faces this time. Those are all going to Series 4 and Series 5, SE and Series 6. So the main new feature or the main new addition on watchOS 7 on the Series 3 is the sleep app. So here we can see the sleep app, and here you can set how much hours of sleep you want every day, and you can set your bedtime and wake up time so that the watch will wake you up either with haptics or with both sound and haptics. Once the sleep is done, it will give more information on the quality of sleep and how our heart rate was varying while sleeping. Series 3 supports Apple Watch face sharing so that you can share your watch face with your friends. And there is a new view for the apps, that is list view, so that instead of the grid you can view your apps like this. And I prefer the grid view because it looks much better. I notice the animations becoming a little choppy at times, and what I recommend for that is to turn on reduce motion, and it improves the battery life and the performance of the watch drastically. It makes a big difference. As of now it is turned off, which is why we have all these animations. Let's turn on reduce motion. As you can see, the animations are cut down and the watch will perform way better. Battery life seems to be fine with watchOS 7. Apple has added battery health to the settings app. So now you can see the health of your Apple Watch battery, and that is inside battery, and scroll down to battery health, and there we go. It says 87% on this device. So this is pretty much it with the Apple Watch Series 3 on watchOS 7. It is not a major update except for the sleep app. So basically you are upgrading your watch to watchOS 7 just for the sleep app. So it can be like watchOS 7 equals the sleep app for Apple Watch Series 3. So that's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you guys in the next one.